of salutations on the light of guidance. Wheresoever it fell, life itself was revived. Peace be upon that life-bestowing gaze. Whom did he see? Let someone inquire of Moses. Peace be upon the courage of one with such eyes. Those ears which can hear from both near and from afar. Peace be upon that mind, rubies of charismata. How delicate the petals of that holy rose. Peace be upon the exquisiteness of those lips. From his clustered pearls radiate those roots of light. Peace be upon the enchantment of those stars. A mouth whose every word is a divine revelation. Peace be upon the fount of knowledge and wisdom. Its water makes both spirits and gardens verdant. Peace be upon the moisture of such a mouth. From its